everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jess and I love doing DIY, making clothes in a simply but pretty way. I'm not a professional tailor. I never attended any fashion school before. So whenever I want to make something new, I always try to find the most easiest way to do it. And today, I'm going to make a ruffle skirt with a rust on the leg. And it's just perfect for your autumn wardrobe. So let's dive in our DIY. The first step is cutting two rectangles with 69 cm width, which is 1.5 times a half of the hip size, and 55 cm length, which is the length from the belly button to the upper knee. At the top of the rectangle, I marked at 10 cm inside at two sides, so the width between two marks will be 49 cm, which is a half of the hip size plus 3 cm. Then drawing the line from this mark to the end of the rectangle. And it will be the main body of the skirt. Other rectangles with 92 cm width, which is the same with the hip size, and 25 cm length. Then I connect two rectangles together to have a long circle fabric. Don't forget to overlock after sewing. Keep one thread and pull another one until the width of the ruffle is 65 cm, which is 1.5 times a half of the hip size minus 4 cm. It has to be the same with the width at the end of the skirt. Now I'm connecting the ruffle to the main body of the skirt. Now I'm making the waistband for the skirt by using a rectangle with 96 cm length, which is the hip size plus 4 cm and 12 cm width. Connect two sides of the rectangle together to have a circle fabric front, then using the iron to make the folding. Make sure the total length of the waistband in the ends have to be the same with the top of the skirt, so you can connect them together after. Use the pins to fit the waistband to the skirt, then sew in. Remember to keep a small unsewed space to put the elastic band go through later. After sewing two ends of the elastic band together, don't forget to close the unsewed space to finish the waistband. I want to make the front of the waistband flat to look nicer, so I move the elastic band to the front more than the back. Then I sew two sides to keep it from moving when wearing. The last step is pulling the ties to create the ruched part for the skirt. And we finished this DIY. Here's the final result. I made this skirt with a sweater and a boot for autumn, but I can also wear it in spring or summer. I hope you like this DIY and subscribe to my channel to not miss the upcoming one. See you next week!